with me.
Okay.
Oh.
Get me. Nah.
Hey. Oh. Young meat?
I'm bigger meat.
But you're older meat. I don't like old meat. What? I knew somebody's in here.
Help.
Now give me that meat.
Ow. I'm not fine.
What did I do, man? I'm trying to help.
You help good.
Okay, so I'm the stupid guy.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, these allergies. Sheesh. Okay, sounds like a piggy. Oh my gosh. It's a dog. It's a dog. Huh? They have how to train your dragon.
Hey, yo, how to train your dragon?
Now, where could the others be?
And on the Elio side.
On the Elio side? What's the Elio side?
Over there, that's the Elio slide.
Oh, the Elio slide. Okay. Let's see who's over here. So, before we do that, let's comment, like, and subscribe. Oh yeah, by the way, share this.
What's your favorite puppet?
Oh yeah, what's your favorite puppet, by the way?
About the comment down below.
Yeah, do that. Anyways, oh my gosh, I love that type of meat. Anyway, time to be destroyed.
That's Mom.
Yeah. Sorry. Ow, my face. Oh. Bruh. My face is broken. My face is broken. Help. The fish.
Oh my.
Yay, I snapped myself back to reality. Oh. Olivia meat. Can I have some of you?
No.
No. Move out your way. Weird looking meat.
Or bacon meat.
Yes, you're bacon meat. Here we go. Wee.